Hello, I am Graciela Gonzalez from monoDrive, and this is a short tutorial about how to add a new sensor to the monoDrive LabVIEW Client and the monoDrive High Fidelity Simulator. Let's open the examples. Click on Help, Find Examples, Directory Structure, look for monoDrive, monoDrive Client, and select the NI monoDrive project. Double-click on it. Now you can close the NI example finder. Let's open the mono replay example. Double-click to open. Let's navigate to the block diagram. Click on Window, Show Block Diagram. In the current configuration, we have a RGB camera. You can see in the camera configuration that type is camera and listen port is 8000. Since this is a RGB camera, channels has the value RGBA. And we also have a GPS configure. Let's run this example to look at the current output. Open your vehicle AI simulator and click on Run to connect the client. The replay example allows the user to select a monoDrive trajectory file and play it back in simulation. The next step is to add a second camera to the configuration. Let's go back to the block diagram. Click Window, Show Block Diagram. Let's make some space on your block diagram. Make your window bigger, and let's add some space on the while loop as well. You can do that by pressing down the Control key and pressing down the left button on your mouse, like this. Now double-click on the camera that we already have. Click on File, Save As, select Open Additional Copy. Make sure Add Copy to the monoDrive project is selected. Click Continue. In this case, we are going to create a camera that is looking to the side of the car. For that reason, I'm going to rename this as Mono Side Camera. Click OK. On the new VI, let's modify the camera configuration. Let's rotate the camera 90 degrees in the yaw direction. We also need to modify the listen port. Each sensor on the configuration has to have a unique port, so let's assign 8001 for this camera. To make these changes persistent, for the next time we open this example, we need to make these values by default. Right-click on the camera configuration, select Data Operation, and make current value default. Save your changes. Now we need to add the new VI to the main application. Click on the icon of the mono side camera and drag and drop into the block diagram of the main application, like this. Move next to the other VIs. Now you can connect the error in and the error out. To connect the error out, you need to add one input to the error merge. Now connect the error output of the camera to the new input you added. Click Run to look at the output. As you can see, the side camera is taking the image on the right side of the car, and the front camera is still getting the image in front of the car. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. For more information, please review https://monodrive.readthedocs.io. See you next time.